Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss creating animation. So Flash has provided different ways to creating animation. So we have two methods. One is frame by frame animation and second one is twinning animation. In twinning animation we have further two categories. One is motion twinning and other is shape twinning. Today we will discuss frame by frame animation. In frame by frame animation, you can change the contents of each frame manually. So in this case, you can embed or you can import the content of each frame manually. It's up to you. You can change the content of each frame manually. So let's do the example of frame by frame animation in Adobe Flash CS3. Create a new document, Flash file. Here you can see we have a new document. Now first of all I will change the color, background color. How I will change the background color? Click on modify menu, click on document and you can see here the dialog box will appear. Document properties will appear. You can change the background color white to black and click OK. Now you can see here in the timeline window we have different frames. So we in frame by frame animation you can embed the content or you can change the content manually. So first of all I will click on frame 1 and import a picture. It's up to you. You can draw a picture or it's up to you. You can import a picture. I will import a picture. So click on file menu. You can see here click on import and import to stage. Now import the picture according to your requirement. I will import the picture of star. Click star. Change the size of this star by clicking width 150 and height to 150 according to your requirement. You can resize the picture. Okay, in frame 1 you can see here we have free keyframe because black dot represent that it is a keyframe, and on frame 1 we have a picture of a star over here. So in frame by frame animation you can click on second frame and make a keyframe by pressing F6 function key and move a star anywhere on this stage. It's up to you according to your requirement. Now again click on frame 3 and make a keyframe by pressing F6 function key and move the star anywhere on the stage according to your requirement. So this is called frame by frame animation. In each frame you can change the content manually. Okay, and you have to make the keyframe first. Click on the frame and make a keyframe by pressing F6 and move the star to anywhere in the stage. And the other method is you can click on the frame and go to the insert menu, then click timeline and click keyframe. Now you can see here black dot represent that it is a keyframe and move this star anywhere on this stage. So this is called frame by frame animation. Just you have to click on the frame number and make a keyframe by pressing F6 function key and move this star to the bottom right corner, bottom left corner, center on this stage according to your requirement. You can change the content. So and content is any image, anything, any picture, any symbol. So just you have to click it and make a keyframe and move it on the stage. After that you can see here we have 1 till 10 frame and each frame indicate that it is a keyframe. Okay, now you have to save the file. Click on file menu, click on save and you can save the file frame dot fla extension. Click save. Now you can play the movie by clicking on frame 1 and press enter key. Here you can see the star is moving according to the requirement. So this is called frame by frame animation. You can change the content of each frame manually. So you can see here the speed is too much fast. So if you reduce or increase the if you increase the speed, just you have to double click on frame rate and decrease the frame size, frame rate like 5. Now click on OK. Now you will see here the star is moving like this. So this is called frame by frame animation. Thank you. Like my video, share, subscribe my channel.